Before you run Pinterest ads, here's 3 things you should know. Number one, make sure you're running your ad to a proven proven funnel or a product. You don't want to just run it to anything. You want to make sure that you know that what you're running your ads to is going to get conversion. Number two, you actually want to make sure that you have a budget, a healthy budget that allows you to actually be successful with the ads that you're running. A small budget of like $5 won't probably get you the results that you're looking to get when you're running ads. And number three, you want to make sure you install your Pinterest tag, which is like a technical part of it. It's what's going to track the data immediately, like now, like today. It's like install it now so that you can start you can start collecting data of people that are going to your website, and that way you will be able to run different kinds of ads based on people who are already going to your website. So like that's how you're going to be able to create your audiences and do some retargeting and things like that. So those are your 3 things that you should know. And if you don't know, I'm Press Rogers and I do Pinterest marketing and Pinterest ads for online entrepreneurs like you. Follow for more Pinterest marketing tips.